Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a steamship out of 36 pieces of magic snake puzzle. First step, count 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn this blue one twice. Now turn this white one twice. Now count 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And turn this white one twice. Now count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And turn this blue one like this. Now turn this white one twice. Now turn this blue one like this. Now count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And turn this white one twice. Now count 2. 1, 2, and turn this white one twice. Now turn this blue one twice. Now count 2. 1, 2, and turn this blue one twice. Now count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And turn this white one like this. Now turn this blue one twice. Now turn this white one like this. This is what it should look like on either side. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and follow my Facebook page for more videos. Bye!